step into the Jeep 2018 Renegade Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC, rear window defroster and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.